In primetime news this evening, give us the road. St. James residents not interested in who builds Mobe bypass. Divide, house clash over process to vote for road. And revealed, St. James Municipal Corporation released findings into vendor beating.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day: sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, do you think calls from taxi operators for a fare increase are justified? Give reasons for your answer. You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.